Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of m squared divided by m is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. In the first method, we move the term m from denominator of left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as square root of m square equals to 4 times of m. And further, in the next step, we need more simplifications here, and it will be written as this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here m is equals to, this is 4 times of m. And now further, in the next step, we move the term m from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as 4m minus m, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we need to subtract both of these two values, and we get 4m minus m becomes 3m, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now for the values of m, we need to remove this 3 from here, and for this we divide both of the sides by 3. So when we divide both of the sides by 3, this will becomes this 3 and this 3 are gone, and we get m is equals to, this is 0 divided by 3. And we know that when we divide 0 with any other number, it will always gives us the answer is 0. So here we get the value of m is equals to 0. So you see that in the first method we get only one value of m, that is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of m be the solution, or is this value of m be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of m squared divided by m is equals to 4. And here we just substitute the above value of m is equals to 0 into the left hand side, and we check its behavior. So we get when we put it here, it will become square root of 0 square divided by 0 is equals to 4. And this implies that this 0 square becomes 0, and we get here 0 over 0 form is equals to 0. So 0 over 0 form is usually called that it is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined form, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value m is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. And we will be called that m is equals to 0 be the only m equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And further, you see here in the first method we cannot get any other value of m that is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we conclude about that this question has no solution, which we get here from first method. And now we move towards our second method for again solve this problem for another different approach. So for this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of m square divided by m is equals to 4. And here in the second method, here the first step is again same. We move the term m from left hand side to the right hand side, and we get square root of m square is equals to 4 times of m. And now here we need to remove the square root sign, and for this we apply squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring, it will be written as this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here m square is equals to, here we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and we get 4 square into m square. And further we have this is m square is equals to 4 square becomes 16 times of m square. And now in the next step, we move the term m square from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will become 16 times m square minus m square is equals to 0. And here we need to subtract both of these two values, and we get 16 m square minus m square becomes 15 times of m square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now for the values of m, we need to divide both of the sides by 15 for removing this 15 from left hand side. And when we divide by 15, it will becomes this 15 and this 15 are gone, and we get m square is equals to 0 divided by 15 is equals to 0. And here for again to get the values of m, we again take square root on both of the sides in order to remove this square sign. And now you see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here m is equals to 0. So in the second method, you see that we again get the value of m is equals to 0, but in the first method, we already verified that this value of m is satisfied our given question statement. So finally, we have the solution set of the given question is, so in the first method, we see that m equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. M equals to 0 is not satisfied, so it means that m equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. And finally we conclude about that this question has no solution, because we cannot get any value of m which is satisfied our given question statement. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.